everyone, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial based off of the look that you see here. I just received these 10 brushes from my makeup brush set and I am honestly super thrilled. It was really fun to learn how to do makeup in a new way using a new style of brush. My very favorite is the huge powder brush. If you want to see how I accomplish this look, just keep on watching. I am going to be using my makeup brush set. They're all brand new in the packaging, so I'm going to try these out for the very first time live on camera. Every brush is labeled beautifully right on the bottom of the handle. This brush feels super soft and really dense. Ooh, wow. This is MAC's Face and Body Foundation. It is very water resistant. It's very long wearing. I'm in the color N3 today. I brought my beauty blender today just as a backup, just because I've never used these brushes, so we'll see how they work. You're supposed to never lift this up from your face. You should drag it across. So we're going to see how this works. I'll say that it doesn't look streaky, like it looks really beautiful, and it feels really soothing. I feel like you just have to have a lot of foundation in the brush because it is so dense, it is absorbing a lot. I'm just not usually a brush person for foundation regardless, so I'll probably stick with my beauty blender, though I will give this another try. Next up, I'm going to use this smaller concealer brush. For concealer, I'm going to use my prolongwear concealer from MAC. I feel like I might like this type of liquid with these brushes better. Just swirl it around. So again, I feel like this brush just absorbed so much concealer. That's the one downside I'm already seeing. Just because the amount of concealer I applied on my hand should have covered all of the areas that I need on my face. And let's do this under eye. This is the contour brush. I don't usually use a crease contour. This looks like it would work great on the nose. It's a little bit small for me to do my cheek, though it would give you very precise, good details. I do have a darker Prolongwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. It's an NW35. This is definitely dark enough to contour with, so I'm just going to use this. Here's my foundation brush again, so I'm going to use this just to kind of blend this into my skin. For powder, I'm going to use my Studio Fix powder in NC30. And this largest brush is the powder brush. I don't know if I'm supposed to rub this or tap it. I'm going to try tapping it just because I'm scared to rub it and disturb everything. It looks like it's giving me so much coverage, but I'm barely using any powder. To contour, I'm going to use the blusher brush. And this is a very large brush, I feel like, for blush. If you have large cheekbones, I feel like this would be awesome, but I don't love blush. So this is a little bit big for me, but I'm going to use this to bronze and do blush. To bronze my skin, I'm going to use MAC's Blush in Harmony. So one thing I'm already finding with this brush is that it is hard to control placement, and in order to really blend, you do kind of have to drag it around, which is going to separate a lot of foundations and cause like breakage in the skin. Okay, so my cheeks are still not perfect like I like them, so I am going to add a little bit more Studio Fix powder, and I do love this powder brush. I want more of a gradient. Now I'm also going to use the blusher brush to do my blush, and today I'm using MAC's Peaches. To contour my nose with powder, I'm going to use the nose shader brush. Like I normally would, I kind of tap down the bridge. Okay, what I already really like about this brush is it places it really subtly. Like I definitely have to build up a lot of color to give it an intense opacity, but that's what I like in my nose contour. For my eyes today, I'm going to be using the new Luck and Fortune palette from MAC Cosmetics Lunar New Year collection. Because this eyeshadow palette does not come with a very neutral matte color, I'm going to use my Studio Fix to set the base for my eyes. With my 221, I'm going to go in with Georgia Peach right into my... Now I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to now take Auspicious, this dark brown color. I'm going to grab Spirit of the Season. I'm going to also grab Precious Occasion. To intensify the shimmer of this color, I'm going to spray it with my Fix Plus. Now with my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take Lucky 8. For my brows, I'm going to start off with MAC Spiked Brow Pencil. Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, and I love using this top right color. Now I'm going to take out the eyebrow brush and I'm going to use her to do my brows. This eyeliner brush, however, looks freaking fantastic. This is super thin and very short. It looks like exactly what I want for an eyeliner or eyebrow brush. The only thing, the bristles look pretty long. Having those bristles be so long make them like drag and flick, so I kind of destroyed the bottom of this brow, so I'm going to touch it up with my 208 brush. Okay, now that my brows are fixed, I'm going to set them with MAC's Clear Brow Gel. For eyeliner today, I'll be using MAC's Brush Black Brush Stroke Length. I'm going to prime my lashes with MAC's False Lash Maximizer. And for mascara, I'm using MAC's False Lashes. For lips today, I'm going to start off with MAC's Pep and Prime Lip Base. For lip liner today, I'm going to be using MAC's Pencil in Mahogany. And for lipstick today, I'm going to use MAC's Peach Stop. This kit did come with a lip brush that I totally forgot to use. The problem that I had was this looks really big and there are no sharp angles in order to get a really clean line. This set does not come with a highlighting brush, which is my favorite makeup product, so I'm going to be using the brush that I always use to highlight. This is the MAC 130 short handle brush. finish off this look, I'm gonna set my face with some Fix Plus. I decided to add one more product to end this look. I'm gonna top off my lips with Sugar Ribbed Dazzle Glass.